Hello friends, this is Sai Fanendra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented lectures, completely real-time, completely practical classes exclusively on MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence. It is a part of Microsoft Business Intelligence stack, Microsoft BI stack. We have MSBI, Power BI. The main difference: MSBI is into design of databases and design of reports, whereas Power BI is completely into reporting, adding color to your data. It's completely into dashboarding and representing the data better, right from a novice user to a strategic decision maker in your organization. In our MSBI course, box number 5, we'll understand 3 important items. Number 1, integration services, SSIS. It's more into data warehouse activities, old historical data. Number 2, analysis services, big data analysis and forecast. Number 3, reporting services. Traditional on-premise reporting. On-premise means a non-cloud reporting. You may plan your resume with option 1, only MSBI. Only MSBI you may opt for, or number 2, MSBI with Power BI. To step into either 5 and or 6, we require 1, box 1, database objects, SQL Server and TSQL concepts. You are aware of SQL Server, TSQL, you can directly go for 5 and later on number 6. If not, you start from 1, slowly step into 5 and then you step into 6. And what we do here in MSBI, remember, MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence, is involving good number of techniques, strategies, design concepts for something called warehouse design and something else called cube design and traditional report activities. So various components involved in our 7 weeks program. We are going to invest our valuable time with your support, with on-time practice, on-time submission of FAQs throughout the course. Yes, for every class, we have FAQs. For every chapter, every concepts, you have MCQs, most commonly asked questions in the interviews. For every concept, you have FAQs, tasks, and I request you to make sure we do on-time practice, submit the tasks on time, and get my reply. Lengthy curriculum. So integration services for about 3 weeks. From ETL to storage to something called Snowflake and star schemas, data warehousing, dimension fact loads, event handling, tuning, deployments, and so on. Once we complete our integration services, then comes analysis services. It's into cube design concepts. A step-by-step, slow-paced activities, enjoying every bit of information from scratch. In multidimensional and tabular, 2 different modes, analysis services will understand Excel integrations. We have reporting services, SSRS. This reporting services is more into design of reports, dashboards. We understand various design and deployment concepts. So total 3 different components we need to learn, and total of 7 weeks with a project on a e-commerce domain. Project part, you would be receiving the complete requirement. You'll try to work on it, get my solution, and complete explanation. If your interviewer asks you like what you did in your project, or explain your roles, explain your responsibilities, what are the challenges you face in the project, we should be ready to address those questions. I promise you once again, we'll start from the scratch. We'll start from what is MSBI right from the beginning, right from the scratch, a structured, organized format. Pretty sure you love it. And end with one real world project with a specific lab plan, and the required softwares will take care. Further clarifications, if any, you may always contact me for your doubts or clarifications. Either you go for live or on demand, it's the same process and same curriculum. Next, we shall wait for your live demo participation, and further clarifications, if any, let's get them addressed before you sign up for this beautiful MSBI program. We assure you complete practice oriented classes. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.